Hi everybody, I'm going to take you on a tour today. Our Foundry factory. Jihua. Our main products are castings for automotive molds and castings for our machine tools. We mainly pick up more than half a ton, large items of 20 to 30 tons. Come on, let's take a look at our factory. Here is our mold storage area. We mainly make lost foam and wooden molds. This is the painting area. In this area, spray the lost foam with our special paint. Drying here. After drying, the surface becomes very hard. Well, this is our buried sand modeling area. That's our sand mixer in the back. We have 12 tons, 25 tons, and its largest, 40 tons. You can take a look. Now we come to our sandbox storage area. Now buried sand area. It's going on here. The sand burying process of a large casting mold.